Humidex. By Claritech Innovations. Better air. Better living.
In 1989, the first Humidex unit was invented, with a vision to eliminate the need for expensive and high-maintenance dehumidifying systems to address humidity issues in basements. Since then, with hundreds of thousands of units installed across North America and abroad, Claritech Innovations offers a full range of humidity control and ventilation solutions for the whole home, basements, crawl spaces, apartments, condos and garages. Our customer support services include highly responsive customer service and technical assistance teams, as well as comprehensive dealer training and ongoing support. Our customer support services also include technical documentation, warranty fulfillment, and parts replacement.
Innovation is very important to Claritech because without innovation we couldn't offer the greatest products to our customers. We couldn't offer environmentally sustainable units, and without that our customers' needs aren't met. We have a full staff of engineering professionals. This allows us to do research and development from the early stages all the way to full manufacturing, with steps of communication with all services and all departments the whole time.
What we are doing differently from our competitors is to exceed what does manufacturing do, because we are providing full services to our customers and to the customers of our customers. This is part of our core business as well. We are not only selling products, but we are here to help our customers with any kind of technical issues.
I feel like though going above and beyond, you're doing that for every customer that calls in. You want to make sure that that customer is satisfied. Air quality would definitely be very important in everybody's homes because you live the majority of your time in your home. You want, a safe environment, and that's what our product will bring to you.
Awareness about environmental sustainability is more important than ever to conscientious consumers. From the very beginning, all Claritech's products have been designed with energy efficiency in mind. All Claritech's innovative moisture control ventilation systems use very little electricity, costing less than $5 a month on average. Compare that to a dehumidifier, which averages at least $50 a month, using 10 times the amount of electricity. This not only helps save the environment, but also saves money over the years, which helps our systems virtually pay for themselves. Every Claritech moisture control and ventilation unit is a green machine that not only cleans up the indoor air, but it is also reducing the homeowner's carbon footprint. It also prevents moldy construction material and household goods from going to the landfill. Sustainability and actively supporting environmentally friendly solutions are guiding principles for the team at Claritech.
What is air quality? What is it worth to you?
Clear air is something most of us take for granted. Outdoor pollution isn't that extreme, but what about the quality of the air inside the dwellings where we live? Air quality is the quality of the air surrounding us. Good air is clean and free of pollutants. Poor air quality affects our health. Many parameters of indoor air may be worse than the outdoor air. Approximately 65% of outdoor air particle inhalation occurs indoors. Basements tend to have leaks and standing water coming from sewer, cracks, defective windows, improper grading, surface water flooding, and broken water lines. Humidity is a frequent source of major problems. Moisture can accumulate in a basement that is poorly ventilated and can lead to mold and mildew. Poor air quality in the basement won't just stay in the lower levels, but will creep towards the upper levels of the house, directly into the living space. Humidity can also cause musty and unpleasant smells, which makes it difficult to enjoy your basement. Odor might even spread to other portions of the house. Radon gas and toxic vapors enter the basement from the ground, which are harmful to a family's health. Stagnant high humid air might cause irreversible structural damages.
Humidex is a ventilation system installed in the lowest level of a home, basement, or crawl space, engineered to expel moisture-laden air that stagnates due to poor air circulation. Cool, moist air gravitates to the lowest point of a home, where it condenses on the cooler surfaces. A lack of proper ventilation in basements creates an environment where the damp air will stagnate and emit odors, nurture the development of mold and mildew, as well as saturate any building materials and other contents located in the unventilated area. A quiet, powerful fan in the unit draws the moist surface air in through the bottom vents and then expels it out of the house through a 6-inch duct. The expelled air is replaced with a flow of fresh, dry, warmer air drawn downward from the upper level, which raises the temperature and lowers the relative humidity. The humidistat control in the unit measures the relative humidity of the air flowing out. When the humidity drops to below the set level, the unit will decrease the flow of air to a minimum. This decreases mildew and mold activity by not allowing the moist air to stagnate and nurture their growth. The direct effect of the air being expelled and the flow of the air downstairs creates an air exchange in the house several times a day, expelling gases, toxins, and contaminants trapped in the air and providing fresh, clean air necessary for good indoor air quality. Humidex helps control the humidity level in the home, reduces moisture-related problems, and provides air exchanges for a healthy, drier, and more comfortable home environment.
All our ventilation systems measure the relative humidity and automatically exhaust any excess moisture above the level you set. The HCS and HCS My Home also factor in the dew point to determine how much air to exhaust. All the systems continuously expel musty and/or moldy odors, toxic vapors, airborne allergens, viruses, and other pathogens, and harmful gases such as radon. Simultaneously, an equal amount of warmer, drier, and fresher air is brought down from upstairs to replenish the expelled air and maintain balanced air pressure. The ventilation unit creates permanent air circulation to prevent the formation of condensation phenomena, reducing mold activity, as well as avoiding stack effect. It reverses natural air flow so that damp, polluted air doesn't go upstairs, and creates air exchanges that improve indoor air quality for the whole house.
We wanted to find a way to demonstrate how the Claritech Humidex air ventilation system replenishes air from the upper levels to the lower levels of a home. So, we built a model house and used a smoke machine to represent the excess moisture and carbon monoxide that can become built up inside your home. The Humidex system will automatically detect adverse air conditions and start working immediately to move the airflow towards the basement, where it is expelled through the air ventilation unit. The Humidex will regulate the air in your home, eliminating musty smells, reducing moisture damage and mold, and creating healthier spaces. Another piece of clean air innovation to help you breathe easier.
Humidex moisture control and ventilation systems are designed to create cleaner, drier air year-round by a 3-step process. Step 1. Expel odors, moisture, gases, and toxins. Step 2. Replenish basement air with dry, healthy air from the upper level. Step 3. Ventilate, creating multiple air exchanges in the entire house throughout the day.
It's not surprising that with our North American climates, most people spend up to 90% of their time indoors. Less known is that the indoor air quality can sometimes be detrimental to our health. In fact, indoor air levels of pollutants and irritants can be 2, 5, or even 100 times higher than those found outdoors. One major factor in air quality is indoor humidity. Studies show that occupants of damp or moldy buildings have up to a 75% risk of developing respiratory problems such as asthma. Controlling the humidity is important for your well-being. Claritech's line of products is designed with that goal in mind. While continuously monitoring air quality, Claritech's products exchange moisture-laden air with fresh, dry air, improving your home's environment. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all with minimal maintenance. Designed for our climate by an expert team of engineers with over 27 years of experience and backed with a warranty of up to 10 years and tech support, Claritech's advanced clean air technology contributes to a comfortable, functional, and healthier indoor environment.
Digital Ventilation System, DVS, with a user-friendly digital user interface.
The DVS models are equipped with a digital user interface, more efficient electronic components, multiple settings for the desired relative humidity level, 3 fan speeds can be selected, and a humidity indicator.
Humidity Control System, HCS, with My Home technology.
How do you control your indoor air quality? You probably don't. But now you can. With Claritech's My Home. My Home includes real-time data and conditions, a built-in carbon monoxide sensor, monitors, controls, and expels carbon monoxide emissions. Access anywhere and anytime. The HCS Humidex series with My Home is our most innovative moisture control and ventilation units ever, with a smart app that allows you to remotely monitor your home's indoor conditions 24/7 from your phone or tablet. Setting up is easy. Install the unit. Create an account. Link your unit. And that's it, you're done. The My Home app includes features such as simple registration and login, local weather, real-time unit conditions, including a carbon monoxide sensor, unit control anytime and anywhere, multiple unit management, and notifications. The My Home app is available from the App Store and Google Play.
The GVS HD
and the GVS SD2.
Both GVS systems are perfect for garages, greenhouses, sheds, baby barns, and/or any confined areas of up to 750 square feet. The GVS HB monitors any increase in humidity and automatically maintains an optimum moisture level. Has an energy-efficient design, which allows it to run quietly for just pennies a day. It's quiet, compact, and impact-resistant. The GVS SD2 helps reduce mold, mildew, odors, and contaminants. It also helps protect your tools and equipment from rusting. It detects the presence of carbon monoxide from ambient air and removes it by extraction from 30 ppm. It's easy to install, effortless to maintain, and there is never any water to empty.
Did you know that basements and crawl spaces are your home's primary sources of pollutants and irritants? This includes excess humidity, odors, radon, carbon monoxide, and much more, often at amounts up to 100 times those found outdoors. Left unchecked, this can cause structural damage and allow mold to grow, which could be detrimental to your family's health. Fortunately, proper air ventilation, like with the Humidex system, can virtually eliminate these risks. It works by expelling pollutant-laden air at its source while replenishing it with fresh air. Additionally, Humidex systems reduce the levels of dangerous radon gases that can seep in and accumulate in the basement. Humidex systems come equipped with My Home Smart App and Wi-Fi control that integrate smart algorithms to monitor both your basement and upstairs conditions in order to automatically adjust ventilation for optimum performance, providing you with real-time conditions so you can monitor, control, and modify the settings 24/7 from your smartphone or tablet. Whether it's your primary residence, summer cottage, or a winter cabin, you'll always be in full control. You will even receive automatic notifications that will alert you when there are environmental issues, like abnormally high levels of carbon monoxide. If you want to temporarily adjust airflow to quickly clear odors and fumes from things like painting, it's as easy as a few clicks. Humidex systems are easily installed, aesthetically pleasing, quiet, and run for only pennies a day. These maintenance-free systems provide better air quality for your whole home. For more information on how you can breathe easier every day, visit www.humidex.com/myhome.
Humidex by Claritech Innovations. Better air, better living.